wasn't living in the area, and I came out kind of a late night to an agency after hours, and it was really cool. I enjoyed the behind the scenes and seeing what agency life was like in DC, and everyone I met was super friendly, and I kept going to events after that and decided to join. Have some really awesome events, provide educational opportunities, fun, networking, and have everyone enjoy their membership. I really enjoy being around everybody that's a part of that too. So you focus on logistics before the glitz and glamour of events. One of the guys on the documentary was really concerned with how many bathrooms there were, and that's a valid thing to be concerned about over how many influencers or social media posts you're going to have about your event.